Navigating your worksheet. Here I want to talk about how to move from one cell to the other as you use Microsoft Excel. Let's try and enter this data here on the right side. This A2, okay, A2. But it's not compulsory you start from this point. It's just for teaching purpose, okay? So A2 here we have our SN serial number. Okay. Then to go to the next cell on your right, you press the tab key or you press the right arrow key. In my case, I'm pressing the tab key. Okay. Then you have item 1, spacebar 1. Okay. I'll press the tab key again to go to column C. Okay. Item 2. Item 2. Now to go back, if I press enter now, it's going to take me to the next row. Look at it. Can you see that? So if you want to go to the next row, you press the enter key. Okay? Press the enter key to go to the next row. Now let's go there. I want to type 1. I'll type 1 there. I'll use my right arrow key. I type 5 there. 5. Okay? My right arrow key. The same thing. I'll press 3 there on my keyboard. 3. Okay? I'll press enter. It's going to go to the bottom of the next row. Okay, so if I want to go to the left, I can use my left arrow key as well. Can you see that? Okay, I have 2 there. That is 2. Okay, if I press enter, it's going to go to the next row. So I better use my tab key on my left hand. That's tab. 7. Okay, the next one is 4. I'll tab with my left hand. Okay, you have 4 there. Okay, I press enter. You can see that it has understood that this is the beginning of the data. So when you get the last one, you type enter and you press enter key, it goes to the beginning of the next row. So we have 8 there, isn't it? 8. So you type 8. Okay, I'll use my right arrow key. Okay, the right arrow moves the whole cursor. Your cursor is that rectangular shape. Okay, the green rectangle is your cursor. Okay, so 8. The next there is 8-2. Press 8. Okay, I'll use my left tab the same way. I press what? 6. Okay, press enter. That's it. So that's how to move in Excel. Okay, if I'm here, I want to go to the right, I'll press my right arrow key or the tab key. That's it. If I want to go to the left arrow key. 1, 2, 3. I want to go down, the down arrow key. 1, 2. Okay, I want to go to the right arrow key. 1, 2. Okay, then if you want to move to a given distance, you want to move fast, you can just use your mouse and click on that cell. I want to come to this point, I'll click on this point here. Okay, now if I want to select, it's already selected. If I hold my control key and click, you can see that it's selecting them together. Can you see it has selected this, it has selected it, it has selected this. I've selected the 3 cells now by way of holding down the control key and clicking on the cells I want to select. Now if I want to select this range, I'll hold down and drag it down. That is it. That's how to select the range. Okay, I want to select from A4 to C4. I'll click on this point and I'll drag like that. Okay, there's what you call cell address. Cell address. Okay, now you identify a cell by its address. For example, we have our C here. Okay, this is C. Okay, then we have the row. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So when you trace like this, okay, and you trace it to the number, it becomes the address of that cell. So this point I'm clicking on is called cell C5. Okay, this is cell C5, this cell here. If I click here, for example, the address of this cell is B3. Okay, the address of this cell is what? B3. So if I want to if I want to identify this cell, I will say cell B5. Okay, B5. This cell here is cell C3. Okay, that's cell addressing. And Excel has 1, 0, 4, 8, okay, 5, 7, 6 rows. Okay, from here, if I want to go to the last cell here, okay, you hold down Control and your right arrow. Control right arrow will take you to the last item on your right. Okay, Control left arrow, hold down your Control left arrow will take you to the first item on the left, no matter the size of your data.